Government's HIT LGU assistance program made its way to the neighboring cities of Makati and Mandaluyong earlier today, where the program's educational assistance component to deserving students was highlighted. As always, the president urged the deserving recipients to study hard and chase their dreams. As we hear more from our Clazel Pardilla.
Alicia dreams of finishing her studies and becoming a doctor, but she admits with life getting harder and expenses piling up, that dream has been more difficult to reach than ever.
Bilang isang medical professional, mahal po talaga yung research. Ngayon po, minimum po namin for research alone is around 35,000. Kung ma-publish pa po, siguradong masaangat pa po.
To help students like Alicia finish their education, under the Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. distributed 200,000 pesos in assistance to 23 barangays in Makati City. Half of the fund was allocated for presidential scholarships. Each scholar received 20,000 pesos. For Alicia, the dream of finishing her studies is now within reach.
Sobrang lapit na po. Konting-konting tulak na lang po para po sa sarili, sa bayan at sa pamilya po.
Ito yung tulong para naman makapag-graduate yung ating mga kabataan. Dahil napakahalaga na magkaroon kayo ng magandang pinag-aralan.
Each barangay that received 100,000 pesos under the Social Civics Project Fund expressed gratitude. The fund will be used to purchase patrol vehicles, generators, water pumps for flood response, and CCTV cameras.
For security monitoring, para na din po sa mga playbacks kung mayroong mga insidente nangyari. Kay Pangulong Marcos po, maraming salamat po sa inyong tulong.
The President said the program aims to strengthen the capacity of local governments.
Imbis na ang national government ang gumagamit at nag-implement, kako, baba na lang natin sa local government. At sa local government naman, nakakatiyak tayo, mas mabilis ang dating ng serbisyo, ng pondo sa taong bayan. Kaya po, yan po ang aming ginawa sa LGSF.
Hindi na nakalimutan ng Makati. Hindi naman natin mapagkakaila na malaki ang pondo ng Makati, pero binigyan pa rin tayo ng tulong ng ating presidente.
To ensure no family goes hungry, more than 13,500 residents received 10 kilos of rice personally distributed by President Marcos.
Importante po yun, lalo na ngayon mahirap ang buhay at mahirap ang biyahe. Malaking bagay na po yung bigas na binibigay ni BBM.
Ang talagang pangarap ko ay masabi natin na wala ng Pilipino ng gutom. Kaya sinabay natin na kailangan dun sa LGSF yung isang bahagi ron ay gagamitin para dito sa programang ito na pagbibigay ng bigas sa mga nangangailangan.
1,000 sacks of rice were also handed out by President Marcos to senior citizens, tricycle and jeepney drivers in Mandaluyong. The president also personally distributed 200,000 pesos in financial assistance to 27 barangays in the city, which will be used for scholarships and community projects. To ensure access to quality and affordable medical services, the president visited the Tejeros Health Center and the Mandaluyong Medical Center. Clazel Pardilla for a new and better Philippines.